We'll be having our first video on tetanus. So about to spill off and talk about this disease condition known as tetanus. All right, so have an introduction to tetanus and just talk about everything that you guys need to actually know, definition of the disease and the causative enzyme, causative organism mainly. All right. So this is tetanus, and one of the classical signs of tetanus is what? There'll be muscle spasm. Right? Your muscles will be spastic. Right? Muscles will be spastic. So let's have an introduction to what this disease called tetanus. So we said that tetanus is actually a disease, right? And it results from infections from the microorganism known as what? Clostridium tetani. Alright, so there's an infection from this, and it's actually, let me just give you guys an overview. There's an infection from what? Clostridium tetani. Then from the Clostridium tetani, there is now what? Involvement of the central nervous system. Then this is causing an inhibition to neurotransmission, right? And this is leading to muscle spasm and all that, right? So this Clostridium tetani is actually an anaerobic gram-positive bacillus, all right? So this anaerobic gram-positive bacillus will basically what? It produces a neurotoxin, all right? And this neurotoxin is what is known as a tetanus plasmin. Okay, neurotoxin known as what? Tetanus plasmin. Right, and this anaerobic gram-positive bacillus is actually what? A commensal in the gut of humans and domestic animals that are found in soil. Right, now spores of tetanus are present in the soil worldwide, so it's actually a worldwide disease, and they are also present in animal feces. So if you come in contact with contaminated soil, contaminated surfaces and all that, you have a chance of actually getting this tetanus. Now, this infection enters the body through wounds, which may be trivial. Okay, you say most of the times, if you step on a nail or you just come in contact, you have a wound, you come in contact with those organisms. All right, the organism is a Clostridium tetani bacteria. It releases what? A neurotoxin known as what? The tetanus plasmin. All right, and it can also cause what? Involvement of the central nervous system, leading to what? Muscle spasm. So talking about the introduction more, so that it is actually it is rare in developed countries except among gardeners and what? People who abuse intravenous drugs. Okay, mortality rates for this is still high, about 80 to 100% in neonates, okay, about 40% in adults. It occurs in clinical forms such as what? Cephalic tetanus, generalized tetanus, neonatal tetanus, localized tetanus, and it is almost always affect what? Unimmunized person. So that's just for you to know that what? There is immunization for tetanus. Okay, there's an immunization for tetanus. So that's just for you to know that. All right. So guys, that's it about introduction to tetanus. Basically talking about the definition, causative organism, that's Clostridium tetani. Then we also spoke about some few statistics and all that. That's it. Bye for now.